Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get BNB Smart Chain on Trust Wallet. First, ensure your Trust Wallet application is updated to the latest version for optimal performance and security. This process involves a few straightforward steps, allowing you to access a wide range of decentralized finance applications. We will cover adding the network, funding your wallet, and understanding its basic usage. This setup is crucial for interacting with many popular crypto projects. To begin, open your Trust Wallet application. On the main screen, locate and tap the Add Tokens button. This will bring up a list of available cryptocurrencies. Scroll down or use the search bar to find BNB Smart Chain or Smart Chain. Ensure you enable the correct one, which typically has a black and yellow icon. In most cases, it's already present. Simply toggle it on. This action adds the network to your wallet's display. Now that you have the Smart Chain enabled, it's time to fund it. Tap on the Smart Chain asset in your Trust Wallet. You will see options to send, receive, or swap. Select Receive to display your unique wallet address. Copy this address precisely. When sending Binance Coin from an exchange or another wallet, make sure to choose the BEP20 network for the transfer. Sending to the wrong network could result in permanent loss of your funds. With your BNB Smart Chain wallet funded, you can now explore its vast ecosystem. Use the D-App browser within Trust Wallet or connect to external decentralized applications via Wallet Connect. You can engage in activities like swapping tokens on decentralized exchanges, participating in liquidity pools, or staking your assets. Remember to always exercise caution, verify the legitimacy of any platform, and carefully review all transaction details before approving them to ensure your funds remain secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.